with me, baby. I want. Come on.
I got paid $1,000.
Come on.
No, kiss me long time.
I went out at the barley. We gonna get drunk tonight. Hey cuties, welcome back to the vlog. I am super excited to unbox this beautiful bike with you guys. It is from YESOUL. Y'all know I've been struggling with this weight, so I am super excited to add this to my little home gym and get this body right. Okay, let's open it, shall we? Okay cuties, let's unbox the G1M Plus Smart Bike from YESOUL Fitness. Right away I had to call Kemar because this thing was heavy, okay? But honestly, it's only let me know that it's good quality, and being as thick as I am, I need that. So everything came nicely packed with the tool, the instructions and everything. Well, obviously I got Kemar over here doing all the work, but setup was super quick and easy. It took us like 15-20 minutes the most. So while Kemar was doing all the setup, I was over here downloading the YESOUL Fitness app. Teamwork, okay? And here we have my absolute favorite thing about this bike, the big rotating screen and the built-in speaker. The speaker is super loud, cuties. I'm gonna let you hear that later. You could tighten your feet with this little thing right here. It comes with extra seat covers, which I love because more cushion for the push. Anyway, cuties, it came with 2 HDMI cables, one for Android and one for iPhone. You can, oh, my favorite part, the rotating screen. Guys, isn't that so cool? So remember earlier I was downloading the YESOUL Fitness app. You can stream straight from your phone. So you could either like follow along with one of their coaches as you ride. Some people like that. Or you could do like me and watch your favorite show on Netflix, or catch up on your favorite YouTuber, or catch up on the news, you know, like whatever that's gonna make your ride fun, go ahead and do it. Seat and handlebar are fully adjustable, and again, for a tall girl like me, we need that, right? Just so you could be comfy for your ride. That little red knob right there adjusts the resistance. It basically controls how easy or how intense you want your workout to be. After every workout, you gotta stretch, right? That was some serious shit. What did I get myself into? I love the fact that you could turn the screen any which way you want to. Cuties, when them said 360, they meant that 360 rotation, okay? Y'all check out this speaker.
Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. Smart, got no responsibility.
When you're exercising, you're gonna be having so much fun. I found the cutest little spot for it right here in the living room. So you can use it always. Cuties, don't forget that all the tools that y'all need to set up the YESOUL bike is right here. It came in the packaging. Literally everything you need is right here. And if you're like me, it comes with a manual. But if you're like me and you don't understand all these mumbo jumbo that's in here, you could just scan this code right here and it'll take you straight to a video right here on YouTube that literally explain it so easy. 1, 2, 3, step by step, how to fit it up. All right? Okay, cuties, I'm tired. I am tired though. I really did that workout, you know, like for real. A big thank you to YESOUL for sending over this bike. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's vlog. And guys, do not forget to check out the description box. I will be linking everything down there, including our discount code, okay? So check that out. Yeah, and stay tuned for the vlog. Fits so well over there, right? So well. Thank God. I'm gonna put in a mic here and tell you what one. I'm gonna laugh off of me. So guys, my mom called me yesterday, right? I guess she see the video when I go shopping. And she's like, Kayan, who you buy? Who you buy girl picnic clothes for? So me say, no such and such baby. She said, but such and such not have boy picnic. So me say, no, you're mad, a girl. Mind you, as the baby born, me get the video. Couple weeks ago, me get video again. Me literally look on the video while I'm in the place shopping to see if how bigger the baby body was. And still buy girl picnic clothes and a boy picnic. A good thing I'm foreign with it, when we can carry them back, because what kind of carelessness? How did I make that mistake? It's crazy. But anyway, me and Kemar go up on the road. We go we have a bunch of stuff to do. We gotta take this stuff back. We gotta go back to Walmart. I don't think I have to go to Walmart, because Walmart stuff them kinda look unisex, even though a lot of them is pink. But so I might just, I don't know. Yeah, what else do I have to do? We have exchange for do. And then we have allow costume picking up, and then drop off the letter the liar, and then what else? Oh, I have thing the 4 o'clock. I have therapy 4 o'clock. 4:30, yeah. And I think that's it, so let's get on the road. Say hey to Kemar.
Cuties on the road. And the dogs.
I forgot yes, sir. At this hours of the day? No. You're crazy. Anyway, cuties, let's go. Front. It's a front door run. Hi. They got hookah pen, babe.
Hookah pen?
Hookah vape.
Be like somebody like it.
Listen, no mix me, because I can't smoke hookah. I mean pen. Guys, I'm trying to find like a small hookah to take on my vacation. So I think these are pretty nice. Right, that's if they work though. These small hookahs work good?
They work good.
But not like a lot.
Like a hookah lounge type thing. It's like for you by yourself type.
Right. Kemar, you can't pick one pen yet.
You see because you're fresh, because you're new, you can't just grab something, but may I try something new, plus may I have to go with a flavor I know me I go like. So I don't know, probably I'll try the pink lemonade.
Look at the cutie.
Pink lemonade or the mint.
But you never know the song.
You know that because? And the part where I know you make me miss it.
Sorry. Me not look for you. Me not look for you because this all get copyright.
Make let it be it.
Oh, you got my. Come on, if you're talking my video, you see. give me my camera. It's not a good video, man. Go on. Okay, you could go as the Grim Reaper.
Snatch people's soul.
Oh my God, it's big in here. Come on, you want to be scary? 50% off on a $39 or 50% off $39. This is nice.
Always scary.
You know you're ugly enough to me.
Very ugly.
What a ugly thing on mask. I like this. Put this spray on my seat.
Well, can't even sit through this.
Why?
Oh, okay, so they had them there.
Yeah.
They're too small for this.
Yeah, it's so big. It's ugly, man. Jesus Christ. And then it look like the eye look. Yeah.
Sure, it never make me look cuter than before.
No. You can't see? Because this
Hardly.
tiny ass eye with the other person.
Barely.
Are they too big for your head? Tell that off. Forget your head tiny. Eh. Skull suit? Skeleton suit? That's the Joker and whatever you're talking
No,
about?
no, that.
Time out cold, I don't really want my body out to do it. I love me, I go wear stocking.
Cover them.
Beat him.
Dog so too tight.
This look like it's gonna take all day. But it's not. Okay, Mr. Kemar. It's very undecisive, undecided, whatever.
Let me see if things have it.
Anyway, Cuties, me see if we can find something and then I'll get back.
Extra small that. And it big. The costume them always fit big, you know. So probably what your size would be naturally large. So maybe a medium wouldn't work for you.
Medium up the extra large alone.
Extra large alone.
Extra small. Extra small. Every one of them are extra small. I wonder if should I know what else.
Yeah, I like that too.
And see if we find nothing else. If we don't find nothing else, that is it.
I want check how much for this. Because this don't go good with ghost face, you know.
What? This?
Yeah.
This one I'm working with. Cute. And Kemar go work with this and some black outfit. That's it. We need to get out of here now because we got more shit to do.
I go hoodie and
I know what time now.
fix it up.
I forgot therapy today. How much in costume? 40? Oh, took it down.
Yes, we can hear you now. See, I don't have to go. What?
Huh?
What'd you say? All right, sweetie, give me a minute. I'm gonna call you in. Okay? I love that outfit.
Thank you.
Holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream.
I thought they said we was doing exercises when I come.
Shoot. Well, you are, but I'm at least early on Wednesdays. I think you might have had one when you missed your appointment, I
Right,
think.
yesterday.
But when is your next appointment? Do you know?
No, I know it's Tuesday and Wednesday, so I guess it's next week Tuesday. Right.
Yeah. I'll make sure that you're on there for your rehab, okay? If it's not, I'll switch it up for you.
Okay.
Because it's important for you to get that. All right, so this is so cute.
For you, don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time. All night, I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tonight, and we only have today, I'm gonna love you in every kind of way.
Did your master class?
Sweet tea, let me try this. Ooh, I wanna do Right, good. Chocolate chicken sandwich. You see a burger? Oh, they look cool.
How was that? He doesn't like
For sure.
and everybody got huh? I bet $1,000 from your head to your toes out of control. And I've been hoping back to you every night till you right. I've been hoping. I've been hoping. I just want to show you your own. Let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, could love every session. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way.
So them around here, sir. One of my foot.
Oh, no, kiss me a long time. You see, man, I stretch on here long. You never want to stretch on it till you see man, I stretch. Come on, hey, Wallace.
Come on, move now, go do what you do. Go do what you do, bitch. Don't talk comment.
Give me a pass.
You're such an asshole, I swear.
Come for me asshole. Me offer you kiss and me asshole.
No, not offer you offer me kiss. Let's say,
You say what?
you look like say me eat one of the elastic there. Because I just I batch more and wash me and I wash out my mouth and one elastic alone in my mouth. So one gone. But anyway, Chick-fil-A was great. That was our first time having Chick-fil-A. Oh my god. Well, I've had it before one time. Not really, I've tried it before. But I never really sit down and eat it. But yeah. It was so good. It's my new favorite fast food. Right, babe?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's our new favorite fast food.
It's shot, man.
We have a salad for a little more. Oh God, I can't wait for the guinea later.
Like a long time, you know.
Eat a fast food and
I tried for the first. It just way past my expectation.
for real. And I don't know if it's real, but the chicken tastes like us a real chicken breast.
Yeah, man.
But I don't know. But
Chicken tastes real,
it's
tender,
yeah,
juicy.
juicy. I mean, I like chicken breast, but guys.
Yeah, yo, it have a whole different. It make you feel like a chicken breast. Like, you know, when chicken breast just
them with them are
fake
grind up.
and dry. Yeah.
Yeah, but that
Like
was
fresh chicken, and you cook you grill your own chicken breast or whatever, and you know it have the authentic taste. Eh?
No, it's not that good. It is not that good.
Well,
it's not that good.
Like.
It's not that good at all. But it is good. So we're heading to Walmart now. And the next place. Jesus Christ. Night come down already. The place get dark so fast. It's literally after 6.
But the iced tea never tastes good though.
The iced tea is good. It's just that the iced tea fresh, and Kemar don't like fresh things. Kemar is a
like
sucker for
fresh.
sweet. I told y'all this before.
Wipe on a sucker.
You know what? The bag with the stuff them. Yeah, let's bring the entire thing. Look, babes, one box say Marshall and one say. Oh Lord. Baby, tonight. I wonder if they have a customer care somewhere. Oh my God, cuties, look what just happened. The man just get up and walk gone to rotted. Something must wrong with him when he get up and just walk off. So something can happen? Or him bike illegal or something?
Him not gone. Him did come out the road. And stand up over there, so.
To order the blood clot carry the guy, sorry, yeah. To order the car lick him off a bike a while ago.
Well, so the youth that drive the car.
Then come out of the car and walk and look for him.
I must have known him go and check about it.
Yeah, him ain't gonna look for. Oh, how this happen? As you take out the window, you know?
Yeah, because the AC.
The AC, as you take out the AC, me just hear bloosh.
What the bike? What the car do over there, sir?
But the car look like it go up.
Hold on, the car do over there side, eh? The bike, what the bike do over here, sir?
I don't know what happened to this side. The girl in that car too?
I think so.
How come police not reach us yet? You can't move the car. What can I? This is babes the man. Someone have to do the man. Look on the bike. That's not illegal to move the bike out that move the car out that way. Because
I don't say illegal. It's illegal if him drive it.
But babes, now that he moved the car, police can come and assess.
That just for insurance purposes. If you move a vehicle, but him not gone no way. Move the car, put it right there, so it's illegal for come out of the road.
The man really walked on fire. The man is saying him going with on the streets. And finally they come.
Fire truck can come before it them.
Always. I like to cop them little too. Now them need to go look for the man. Just drive going straight, my love. That's what I'm saying. It doesn't work that way. You can't move the car. So it's not Finn's fault.
And he'll tell him to move the
But
Actually, no, juvenile fright man.
the road did have to stay block up until the police
Stay
come.
black.
You can't tell me move nothing.
Frightening juvenile fright man.
Because there's no in and out, you know.
See, they run the someone come from.
But because we're not supposed to go about business.
Yes, that makes
Oh no,
sense.
we can't come out and go down. Oh, yeah, so them block it from. You have to go over there, what do you do? Why is she in a 90 out here? Where she come from? Out her house she come from ready for talk things, you know. Nosy neighbor.
Ready for this statement. But here you up there so with your camera and video.
Ay!
I'm not talking about nosy neighbor.
Nosy.
What a cuskeco.
Oh shit, I need. Looking at the car, in the glove cup, in the middle piece, you can see a quarter in there. Hey cuties, what's up? Happy Friday. We're here at Price Right. We just to get some little stuff. I need something for dinner. No. I feel like I want to make chicken pasta. I know, but that's what I feel for. So I'll probably make that today. So I'm grabbing some stuff for that and I pick up some stuff for make breakfast and stuff like that. Yeah. We're here at Price Right. You know, see none in there? In the middle? Yeah. Okay. Get some plastic bag, Tim. No over here, sir. Where is sir? Oh, tissue that. Thank you. Make sure you wipe them off. Got the sitting with them spray them with no good enough. Yeah. I don't know what the heck it is, but it's not good for you at all. Oh. That looks spoiled. That one look good. Soft. Oh yeah. I want good one. Them here and them the different. Them are tinier. Them here look like them better. I want good one. Or if you want a grapefruit, this or orange. Orange this. Oh. You rather the orange than the tangerine? Tangerine sweeter though. Take up like three big green one put in a one bag. The sweet pepper them cause green not coming at this. Them over them to the side there. It is. You have a background there so. You want banana? You need banana? You want the greener one them. So they're ripe. Right. Okay. But this supposed to be cane? Where did get them here from? You can't even peel that. So we could just put by that one day. Fix it. Put little lime in that. And take up. I went at the barley. They be lime. Ooh, you better hold it. No. What's that going there? Up in there. Up in the corner. This sir. I'm not here for no musical car today. You're lucky. Cuties, look what I bought. I bought a bottle of rum. Cause we gonna get drunk. We gonna get drunk tonight. I feel like I'm drunk already. But anyway, we'll cook and drink. We're on Kemar, we don't know him that I know. Can't find him. But anyway, it's hours later. After we leave the supermarket, we go Dollar General. Go get soap and tissue and napkin and snacks. Some look something in the Dollar General, mostly toiletry. And then we came home, we cleaned the fridge, we cleaned up the kitchen, we do some look stuff around the house. And now we just done with a fresh. I'm gonna cook some chicken alfredo. I think one of my cuties asked me to make this. I'm not sure, but for some reason I feel. So if you did ask me to cook this, let me know down in the comment. And let me know if this is what you was talking about, because it is late now. It's like 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Because we did do so much something. So I'm gonna use some chicken breast. I wanted thighs, but I never saw the thighs them like this. They mix up with everything else. I'm not gonna make the sauce from scratch. I'm gonna use some ragu. But that's gonna docked up. It's real good. Trust me. This is good when you fix it up, season it up and bake things. And then I'm gonna use this. You see this and it look cute. Can y'all see that? It just look pretty. It just look like it's gonna make your plate look nice. Plus it's a product of Italy, so we can't go wrong with that. Now I'm gonna wash the meat, season it and everything, and then I'll come right back, okay?
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you.
Alright, cuties, now we're gonna season the meat, okay? We're gonna use some of this. This is the mix-up Jamaica season. We're gonna use some adobo. We're gonna use some of the Spice Jamaica Reggae Blend. We're gonna use some of the Spice Jamaica Jerk Blend. We're gonna use some Obey. We're gonna use a little bit of black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and now we're gonna mix it. And this is how it's looking. Well seasoned. Now we're gonna fry them.
Look away when it seems like.
Started pretending I knew. Come on, girl, talk to me. I wanna know your name. Come on, let's talk to me, baby. I wanna. Come on, baby. 2 minutes. Aye. Big tune. I'm so in love with you. Wherever you want me to. You're right with me.
No, we are not singer.
So brand new. And my life with you. You know how long me not cut with this? Since we've been together,
Know what I mean?
loving you forever
Yes,
is what I need.
that's our code.
Come on, make me cut myself. Please come out of the kitchen. Cause you just want to see little wine in the go on for run come. You just
Code.
want to see little wine in.
I'm gonna say code.
Check the chicken for me.
Anyway, though.
Guys, me left my cooking bowl over Kemar yard. Me feel cut like this.
Here you know.
Very uncomfortable.
Here you know. Kemar and I beer more bad name than the devil.
Times are good or bad, happy or sad. Can you? What's up? Okay, cuties, we're gonna season it to the same season that we use to season the meat, okay? Okay, my beautiful people, this is it. We're done. I'm gonna enjoy this one. Do you see the amount of calories in this one meal? Let's talk about it. In the comment section, let's talk about it. How much porn me gonna put on after the meal? Yeah? But it looks so good, isn't it? Ah, so, so nice. Sure good. Anyway, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. It's good, right?
Come out of people business.
It's so good.
Make you think they mash it up, so.